Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who may be new to my channel, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe down below this video so that you can get a notification every time that I upload a video. Today, guys, I want to come on here and share with you with this little short video about how I made $2,050 using this amazing platform, guys. This platform, I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm taking a little walk today. This amazing platform has taught me how to, number one, brand myself, okay? There is no recruiting required. There is no experience necessary. And also, you do not have to be computer savvy, guys. Like, literally, guys, I struggled online for at least 2.5 years of trying to make an income from home. Right now, I am so shocked with the way this platform works. The sales funnel in our back office is amazing. It shows you your the traffic, the people who signs in under your link. Guys, like, we have great success coaches, so like if you have an issue with anything that you don't know how to you don't know how to work anything, you don't know how to get to your back office, guys, the success coaches are there. But you don't want to use your success coaches as a clutch. You don't want to use them every time that there's an issue. You have training that will be provided to you in your back office also. You also will get to meet the mentor at every training, and also at the webinars that we hold every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, which is amazing because, like I say in all of my videos, a lot of platforms that are out there, even the opportunities that you might be a part of, like direct mail, you guys don't get to meet your owner who created the product. Also, for those of you who may not know what the product is, or you're asking me what is the product is a digital education training platform where you get training on how to run a home-based business, any home-based business, guys. You also will get access to the Facebook group that we have for all of our team members and also our prospects, which is amazing because your prospects, they get to come into the FB group and they get to see all of the great proof of payments from members. And also, we welcome our prospects in to our Facebook group, okay? We also have another chat group that we invite our prospects to and our members. And guys, the support system there with this amazing platform is just phenomenal. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better platform, a better mentor. Everything that I need to run my home-based business is included with this amazing platform. Another thing, people connect with people. They do not connect with opportunities. So that's why when joining an opportunity, even if you are new to online, if you are a seasoned marketer, this platform helps you to learn how to engage, number one, with your audience, how to use organic traffic, and how to use paid traffic. You want to build that know, like, and trust factor with your organic traffic. Any traffic, really. You want to keep traffic for your opportunity because traffic is the bloodline of your business. If you don't have traffic, you do not have a business. I'm going to say that again. If you don't have traffic, you do not have a business. So you want to keep your traffic up to par. That's another thing that's amazing about this platform. You don't have to go anywhere outside for resources to get traffic for your business or anything else. And also the traffic that we use for our platform is 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 only for our platform. You can't come into the platform and try to use the traffic for your other home-based businesses. It doesn't work like that. I also like to leave little notes with everyone because people seem to think that, oh, is it real? Do I have to pay for it? Yes, you do have to pay for the opportunity. That's any job. I don't care if it wasn't a work from home job. If you had a job working for McDonald's or working for Burger King, you have to pay for your uniforms. You have to pay for gas to get to work. If you're riding the bus, you have to have money to get on that transportation. So yes, guys, you do have to pay for the opportunity. And we have 5 different levels. But one thing about it, all of the packages that we have available are one-time fees, guys. There are no monthly fees with this opportunity, which is amazing because there are a lot of opportunities out there that charge you a monthly fee just to use their platform. With this opportunity, you do not have to do any of that. All you're doing is joining the platform. You have 5 different levels that you can choose from. Once you choose from those, choose from the package that you would like, you're going to go into your back office and you're going to start watching the trainings. You want to go to the first package, and you're going to go to the part where it says start here. You're going to watch the short video that tells you everything that you need to do, and then you will go from there. You want to make sure that you are caught up on all of the trainings from the platform. You want to apply what you learn in your trainings on your Facebook page. Sorry about that, guys. And that way you can go and start earning. You want to build a relationship with your audience, guys. I am going to say that again. You want to build a relationship with your audience. You also want to have the right eyeballs on your opportunity. So you don't want to go out and just be friends with everyone. You want to have people who are in your niche. You do not want to go get someone who plays golf. Or you don't want to go get someone who's online that's teaching stuff about God or fitness. Get somebody who's in the affiliate marketing area, MLM, online marketing. You want that kind of niche on your page. You want those eyeballs, okay? Down below this video, I am going to leave the link to my Facebook page so that you can check out my page, see how I am doing. And I'm also going to leave the link down to my website in the description so that you can check out the website, check out the amazing packages that we have available. We also have small and big traffic packages that you can purchase from. I also am going to leave the link down below for our weekly webinars that we hold on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, and also another link to our Facebook group so that you could check that out and you can see the amazing proof of payments from members, and also our success coaches and our mentor. And you get to see how the support is there, how we support each other. So again, guys, I look forward to working with you guys. I look forward to seeing everybody at the top of their success. Let's win, guys. And I'll see you guys at the top. Have a blessed and amazing day. See you guys at the webinar on Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time.